Hey guys, this is going to be a quick video on how to change the air filter on a Jeep JL 2-liter turbo engine. Okay, before you start this, make sure you have an air filter to replace your OEM air filter with. I've purchased a K&N performance air filter. These are supposed to get more horsepower, more miles per gallon. They're reusable, they can last a lifetime. And I'm gonna see how many gains I get from this, see if these things are really worth the hype. Okay, so here's what I've been averaging with the OEM air filter. 15.4 miles per gallon. This is real world driving, mostly city, some highway. I'm gonna reset this to see if this improves. Next thing to do is open the hood. To do this, you have to undo this latch, take that little piece off, repeat on the other side, pull down, take this little piece off. Now you've got to lift the hood. You'll see there's a little latch right here. Push this latch to the right, which is the driver's side. It releases, lift up the hood. Unclip the securing arm. Yeah, you can see it's a little dirty underneath here. Engine's clean. Under the hood's dirty. Been doing some off-roading. I have to unclip the hood rod, put the hood rod down and prop into its propped position right there. Now the hood stays open. Now the air filter is located right here. You'll see there are 4 Phillips head or flathead screws. You can use either one if you get a look at it. See, it's actually a Phillips head or flathead. One back there. Got to unscrew all 4 of these and take off this lid. I've taken out the first one, came right out of there. I'm going to place it right here on the engine cover. Has a nice little spot where it's not going to roll away, and then repeat for the other 3. Once you have all the screws out, you'll see this is loose. Just lift this piece out of the way and you can access the air filter. I'm just going to remove this air filter and slide the other one right in. There we go. Take this right out. You see this is a little bit dirty. It's not a bad air filter, but these K&Ns are supposed to be much better. Here's the old air filter. Here's the new one. This is the K&N. Now you look at the difference between the two. First of all, let's start off with thickness. The K&N is much thinner. It's also made of a completely different material. This is some sort of paper-like material. This is different. Here's the new one and the old one stacked on top of each other. So that's what it looks like empty, by the way, guys. That's your air intake box. It's empty, there's nothing in there. Just air goes through there. Open up the box. Slide the new K&N filter in. I'm having to do this one-handed as I hold the camera with one hand. Slide this in with one hand. You'll see it fits right into place. Make sure it's sitting on the ledge correctly, all the way down the bottom. K&N's in place. Just screw the screws back down. And that's it, it's done. Here's the air filter box, here's the cover. The new air filter's in there. Start the engine. Now here's the engine running just fine. Here's the air filter box right here. I'm going to put the microphone down and see if you can hear it. Okay, so I've now been driving my Jeep for 76.1 miles since I switched out the air filter. My MPGs has gone up to 18.6. It was at 15.4 with the OEM. Now it's at 18.6. That is over 3 miles per gallon increase. So does the K&N filter work? Absolutely. Here's the proof. I'm very happy with this.